Hi everyone, how are you? Right now, I am standing on my house balcony, and also I see a very beautiful view and also a very beautiful park in front of my house. It's a very nice park. Sometimes I visit this park with my friends, and also sometimes I visit alone. Basically, my visited time it's after iftar or evening time, and also this is the grocery market here where we shop, and also at this moment the weather is very cool and the sky is also very nice, and some side it's a very cloud, and I see a mountain in front of my house. There is no big distance, just I think you can say just 1 hour distance from my house, and I don't visit mountain yet, so I wish I want to visit this mountain with my friend, inshallah. I will try. And also this is car, this is a lot of car uh, parking here. It's a very important things. It's a open park, everyone can visit this park and everyone can see this park with car, bike, you can say with entering this park. So yesterday after iftar I visited in this park with my friend, and sometimes stay that in this park and gossiping a lot of things about lot of things. Most important things is a very peaceful area in front of my house. When in stay in house, you can feel very cool and very peaceful in your mind. Okay, and everything near in this house, you can shop in this market, this type of market, and also AIA. This is the also market, and also is the this is the near metro rail in our house. So I think this is the very beautiful place, and I like this place, and this is the very uh, nice view which I stay in my house. So I am very happy and I am very delighted now. So thank you so much.